After a long time, some beautiful pictures of Pakistan's top actress Mahira Khan with her brother on holiday in Africa are going viral. In the pictures, she can be seen taking selfies with African children and having fun with them. And she looks as beautiful as ever. Most people do not know that Mahira Khan has been married once in her life and has a son named Aslan Askari from her first husband. And now he's almost 10 years old. On the other hand, it is also common news on social media that she has got engaged to Salim Kareem for the second time and now she is going to marry him again soon. While a few days ago, Firdaus Jamal called Mahira Khan an old actress, a controversy arose on social media. And the people supported Mahira Khan very well. Let us tell you one thing here, that she has also acted with the handsome actor Shahi Amunawar Siddiqui in the successful film Seven Din Mohabbat In. But in today's article, we will see that Mahira Khan has gone on holiday to Africa with her younger brother and she has also shared some beautiful photos with her fans from there. One important thing is that Mahira Khan is also honored to have worked with Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan as the lead actress in the film Raees. And this film was also her super duper hit. Do you also think that Mahira Khan's younger brother looks exactly like his sister's twin brother? Then you will express your opinion in the comments below. Thanks.